What's That Noise, Little Mouse? By Stephanie Stansby and illustrated by Polona Lobson. The moon was up, the night was still, and Little Mouse was half asleep. All at once there came a noise. "What's that?" cried Mouse, holding his covers tight. But then he heard another noise. Little Mouse crept out of bed and tiptoed from his room. Through the hall window came a bustling, rustling, whispering sound. Little Mouse scrambled downstairs as fast as he could. Standing alone in the kitchen, Mouse couldn't believe his ears. Little Mouse gasped, and he ran and hid in the cupboard. The moonlight crept through the cupboard door, casting shadows all around. Little Mouse heard a creaking, squeaking sound. "Too many noises!" Little Mouse cried. He raced up the stairs and dived beneath the covers. Then came the worst noise of all, a rattling, chattering, clattering sound, and it was right outside his window. Shaking and quacking and quivering and shivering, Little Mouse let out the loudest sound of all. Mommy Mouse scampered into the room. "What is it, little one?" she called. Beastie!" Little Mouse cried. "Can you hear it?" "I can hear owls singing," said Mommy Mouse. "And your clock ticking to lull you to sleep." "There is a breeze in the trees wishing you good night." A kitchen tap dripping. A cupboard door creaking. And your window pane rattling. "No beastie then," said Little Mouse. Mommy Mouse tucked him in and hugged him close. "Sweet dreams, sleep tight," she sang softly, and soon the only noise to be heard in the whole house was the sound of a little mouse snoring.